Divers, bait has been deployed, bait has been deployed. Okay, drop it deeper. Okay, that's a good depth. That's a good depth on the tuna.
The first shark to arrive on scene is a male, about 13 feet in length. The teams attracted the attention of a gigantic female shark who devours the 70-pound tuna in just a few bites. But even at nearly 20 feet long, she's less than a third of the size of a fully grown meg.